Managing debt and building a good credit score can feel confusing, especially if you're just starting out. But the truth is, you don't need to be a financial expert to stay in control. You don't need complex formulas, insider secrets, or years of experience. You just need the right habits repeated consistently. Knowing what you owe, paying bills on time, spending less than you earn, and using credit intentionally, not emotionally. First, the golden rule: automate your minimum payments. This one habit protects your credit score more than almost anything else. When you automate payments, you remove forgetfulness, stress, and late fees from the equation. Because missing even one due date can quickly damage your score, and it can take months to fix. Automation keeps you consistent, and consistency is what lenders reward. Second, watch your credit utilization. This is how much of your available credit you're actually using. For example, if your limit is $1,000, try not to carry a balance over $300. Keeping it low shows lenders that you're responsible, organized, and in control. High balances, even if paid on time, can signal risk and hurt your score. So think of utilization like a financial fuel gauge. Stay in the green, and you'll build trust with lenders over time. Credit isn't a trap, it's a tool. Build the habit today, and your future self will thank you when it's time for that first house or car. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more simple money tips, and start taking control of your financial future today.